So here we have the VivaLift chair, the Radiance model. We're going to show you how to unbox it. So really what you need to start with is a good knife like this, and just cut your straps down. This one, it's got all these black straps. Make sure you don't cut your fingers. So it'll come on a pallet like this. It's sitting on a pallet just like the way it is now. And then you will go down the middle with your knife. And I think most of you probably already know that. Just cut the plastic. And now you can open the box. When you cut over here with your knife, make sure you're really careful to do a slight cut, because your chair is right here already, okay? So there's no protection. So if you cut the box and you happen to cut your chair, you're gonna be in big trouble, okay? So the chair is like that. So now what you need to do at this point is you just can't lift the chair out of here. So what I would do if I were you, I would cut the box on its size like this, all the way up. All four corners. Okay, so now you've got your box. So you can see back here, you can see the back of the chair. So I guess what I would do next is bring this part forward, okay? So you've got the whole chair here. Take the protection out of the middle. So this part here, you'll need two people. Now that it's heavy, it's just hard to line up. We're gonna put the back on the back of the chair, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna get these bars right here to slide into here, okay? So, and then we'll just lift it and we'll slide it in there, and we'll line up the bars. That's it. So the chair's all the way in. There will be probably, you're gonna raise this up here like this. All your cables, your connections are back here. All your connections are back there. Your charger and your plugs are right here. Your manuals here. So this is your back coming down. We slid the back down on here on these two clips, and then you're going to put your two screws one side to the other from the inside. And that keeps the back from coming back off these clips right here. So that's all you have to do to secure the back, is those two screws that come with an Allen wrench already. The next thing you would do, you would take your arms, and they're marked. It says number 2 here, okay? And it says number 2 over here. So I probably should have put those on before I put, there we go, there's one. And they come in like this. So you'll take your other arm, and if you notice it says 1. So you go on this side and you match 1 with 1. It would probably be better if I would have done it before I put the seat on. There we go. So I've got both sides on. Okay, when you get your chair up like this, all your wires are here. It kind of looks complicated. I kind of looked at it myself and I was like, oh my gosh, all these wires, but it's real easy. Take your cover while you're working on this and slide it under here so it's not in your way. First thing you're going to do, all the wires that are yellow, gray and gray, you just put them together. So you take this yellow cable, and it's got a clip that pulls up here, and you just connect it here. And then you push the clip and it locks it so it doesn't come unplugged. You take your gray one, same way, plug it on there, push the clip down. Then you've got 4 of these little white ones, 2 male and 2 female. So you'll take, I guess it really doesn't really matter. Heating pad, it really doesn't matter. Do not force them in, okay? They only go one way. If they don't go in, start the other way. So you can see when you put these in here, there's a little tab there, and it snaps right on the top of this one right here, so you have to pay attention. Then it snaps. So you got this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now we have left this black one. Well, this black one here goes to your remote. So you have your remote that comes in this little bag, and you take your remote out and you plug it into here. You can see it's got the same plug as the remote, plus it's black and black, okay? So you will find where it matches. You will clip it. And the last one is your power module, and your power module is down here. So you'll take your power module, that's the one that stays on the floor. You'll pull the clip up, and you will plug it in, and you'll snap it. Nice thing about these, they all have a little snap on them, so they don't get disconnected when you go back and forth with your seat, okay? And that's it. So now you'll bring your back down. You'll leave your remote behind your chair, your power box on the floor, and you'll take your remote along the side here, wherever you need it. So it's sitting on your arm or where you want to keep it, okay? This is your remote. That's it, folks. That's how you connect all the wires, and they're all pretty much color coded. Very easy to do. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Mark's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.